Hey, favorite, welcome back to another episode of In My Kitchen by Doris. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this delicious pork roti in a pan. I made this in the air fryer, and I had someone who asked me on Facebook, can we do this some other way for those who do not have an air fryer? So yeah, you have it. The ingredients are very simple. The green you see me using is part of my all-purpose green, which I will leave everything in the comment section or in the description box. So you go ahead and marinate everything and then keep that to rest in the fridge for as long as you can. When that is ready, just go to your pot. Follow the procedure as you see on the screen. It's very easy. Trust me, this is the festive season. This is Christmas coming. You might want to make this for your family as a special weekend dinner for your husband, for your friends, for your mother, for your dad, whoever. Trust me, they will love it, especially if you come from Cameroon and if you love pork and you just miss that pork roti on the road. This is five-star pork roti. So if you find this recipe very, very helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe. Like I promised, I'll be bringing back all our videos on recipes on this channel every Saturday. I'll see you on the next one and enjoy. Remember, God loves you. Bye.
Alright, so let's go in and taste this. I can't wait to devour. I'm just going to pick a piece. I'm going to dip into my green sauce. Then dip it into my pepper. Let's try the topping. This green sauce is amazing. It will not be a typical Cameroonian platter without plum and some plantain.